Last week, I had the chance to visit an old friend who lives in a quiet countryside town. As we were catching up over tea, he casually mentioned something that completely blew my mind. His family makes tens of thousands of dollars each year from a bird. And no, not chickens, ducks, or geese, but peacocks. Yes, peacocks. Those stunning creatures we usually admire in paintings or documentaries. It turns out, behind their elegant feathers is a surprisingly profitable business. The more I learned, the more fascinated I became. So in today's video, I'm taking you on a journey into the colorful and unexpected world of peacock farming, from how to get started, how to care for them, and most importantly, how people are turning these majestic birds into a source of real income. Who knows, by the end, you might be inspired to start a peacock farm of your own. Peafowl belong to the pheasant family and originate from Asia, especially India, where the iconic Indian blue peafowl is native. However, other species like the Congo peafowl can also be found in parts of Africa. Male peafowl are typically referred to simply as peacocks, while females are called peahens, and the young are known as peachicks. Over time, the term peacock has gradually come to refer to the entire species. The beauty of the peafowl mainly comes from the male's extravagant tail feathers. These long, shimmering plumes in shades of blue, green, and gold, decorated with striking eye patterns, serve not only to attract mates, but have also become symbols of art and royalty. Young peafowl have dull feathers, but around the age of 3, they grow their full plumage, which plays a key role in courtship and establishing dominance. One of the rarest and most sought-after varieties today is the white peafowl. It's not albino, but rather a genetic variation of the Indian blue peafowl. White peafowl have completely white feathers from head to tail, giving them a pure and mystical appearance. While most are bred in captivity on farms, a few can still be found in the wild in India, making them even more valuable. Unlike other poultry such as chickens, ducks, or quail, peafowl are not raised primarily for meat or eggs. Their economic value lies in their striking appearance, ornamental feathers, and the income they generate through ecotourism, art displays, and feather trade. Many peafowl farms today combine breeding with tourism, attracting thousands of visitors each year. They serve as a unique attraction and help promote cultural and biodiversity awareness. Peafowl require spacious, well-ventilated, and clean environments to thrive. Each adult bird needs at least 100 square feet of space. Enclosures should have fences at least 6.5 to 8 feet high to prevent them from flying out, along with a roof to shield them from harsh weather. Inside, perches should be installed so they can rest, especially at night. In winter, heat sources are needed to keep their feet warm, particularly for tropical breeds. Peafowl are active creatures that enjoy natural behaviors like fanning their tails, calling for mates, and roaming freely. Therefore, a wide space is essential for their healthy development and natural expression. One of the most fascinating courtship displays in the animal kingdom is when a male peacock fans out his tail in a full arc, vibrates it slightly, and produces a distinctive sound to draw a female's attention. If the female is interested, she will approach and mimic his movements, signaling readiness to mate. During the breeding season, peahens typically lay their eggs directly on the ground, choosing hidden spots to avoid predators. A single peahen can lay 20 to 30 eggs per season, sometimes up to 40. The eggs incubate for about 28 to 30 days, during which the mother carefully guards the nest. When hatched, peacocks are covered in soft, light-colored down, gray or pale brown, and rely completely on their mother for the first few weeks. During this time, they need a warm, clean environment with attentive care to prevent infections, chills, or digestive issues. Diet plays a critical role in a peafowl's growth. They are omnivores that enjoy small insects like crickets, worms, and grasshoppers, along with grains such as rice, corn, soybeans, millet, and leafy greens like water spinach, mustard greens, and carrots. For peacocks, their diet should be carefully managed to ensure proper vitamin and mineral intake. During the breeding season, higher protein intake boosts fertility and hatching rates. Fruits like apples, papaya, and bananas can also help strengthen immunity and maintain glossy feathers. Although peafowl have strong resistance to disease, they can still suffer from respiratory infections, digestive issues, or parasites if kept in damp, unsanitary conditions. Their enclosures must be kept dry, with clean food and regular deworming. If symptoms like diarrhea, loss of appetite, or lethargy appear, the bird should be isolated for MON.